Good morning to honorable judges and my dear co-participants. Myself I am Bhavani, my teammates Sandhyarani, Gayatri, Kamya, Aisha. We are here to present Jignasa student study project in chemistry entitled Analysis of Pollution Road Water Quality in Textile Industry Water Wastewater Using Physico-Chemical Parameters in and around Badanapalli, Rajana Sircilla district. Aims and objectives aim to study physico-chemical parameters in and around Badanapalli, Rajana Sircilla district. Objectives of project to determine physical parameters, color, temperature, transparency, turbidity and order. To determine the chemical parameters, pH, solid, hardness. Next continued by carbon.
Importance of water, cell for photosynthesis for plants, pH regulation for animals over ice. Need of the study, Badanapalli is a place which is situated in Rajana Sircilla district, Telangana state. The textile industry located in Badanapalli area of Sircilla. The industry use huge quantity of water for processing and release most water in the form of wastewater. The wastewater being generated is discharged into nearby water resources. Considering the above aspect of water contamination, the present study project was undertaken to determine physicochemical parameters of surface water and groundwater of different areas in around Badanapalli. Among very selected three areas, Badanapalli, Padmanagar, Nerela, in and around Badanapalli. This water is basically for drinking and domestic purposes. Hypothesis. The hypothesis is related selected water control areas in and around the Badanapalli. The primary focus on these analyses was to establish the existence or non-existence of relations between certain water quantity variables in and around Badanapalli. Patients have questions about type of water for both drinking or domestic use. The existence of relation, however, does not imply causality. If a relation was detected, then a specific mechanism could be proposed and tested to establish causality.
Research methodology, data collection from selected areas by the public and private sectors. Sampling. Samples are collected from the different locations and different sources. Analysis of physical parameters, color, transparency, turbidity and order, chemical parameters, pH, electrical conductivity, total solid, total suspected solids, total dissolved solid, total hardness, pH. pH is term used universally to express the intensity of acid or alkaline condition of the solution. Solid, total dissolved solids and total suspected solids. These are discrete particles that can be measured by the filtering the sample through appropriate filters. Increase in the suspected solids is proportional to the increase in the extent of pollution. Total hardness. Hardness is the property of water which prevents the leather formation with soap and increases the boiling points of water. Hardness of water mainly depends upon the calcium or magnesium salts or both.
These are the results which are obtained from our analysis. pH value is surface water result and groundwater result.
From the result obtained, water quality monitoring should be continuous process that should be encouraged. Proper sanitation should be strictly observed around vicinity of the area. Proper and appropriate treatment should be done according to seasonal variation with respect to the important physicochemical parameters.
Acknowledgement. First and foremost, we would like to thank you Srimati Sri Devasen IAS Commissioner of College of Education Hyderabad, Dr. T. Shankar Principal, Government Degree College of Sircilla. We would like to extend our thanks to Dr. S. Krishna Prasad, Assistant Professor of Physics, Jignasa College Coordinator, Government Degree College Sircilla. Dr. K.Y. Karuna, Assistant Professor of Chemistry, Government Degree College Sircilla. We are highly thankful to Dr. D. Gopala Krishna, working as a professor in abroad.